Hey everybody, how are you? It's Friday night and John just brought me up my mail. And it's happy mail because I was in an embellishment box swap with Connie Houston. So this is my package. Look, she wrote, "Hello, PA." And then she wrote "fragile." But I have to tell you, look at that tape. I am loving this tape. I'm going to have to save this tape. Oh. I have to find a way to hold on to that. Oh, I'm so excited! Happy mail. Happy, happy, happy mail. Like I said before, happy mail, there's nothing like it. Gotta get me some happy mail. Wow. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm just gonna rip it. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look how cute she made sure that it didn't fall apart. She stuck it in a baggie. Alright, this is like Christmas time when you really tape up somebody's gift and it takes them forever to open it. That's what I feel like. 'Cause you just want to get into it. I can't even open it. Oh, she didn't have it sealed. Oh, she did? It's not letting me open it. This suspense is killing me. Okay, there it is. Oh my goodness. Wow. I hope you're laughing or fast forwarding. Who are we kidding? Fast forward. This is so funny. Oh, I see something already. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, she sent me a Minnie Mouse and the washi tape is Zoom Zoom. Oh, you know what's funny? Is I have the Mickey Mouses, but I didn't get the Minnie Mouses. I'm gonna be saving that washi tape right there. I heard something clink. Oh, look at these stars. Oh, look at all those stars. They're chipboard. Oh, I love it. Oh boy, there's a lot of stars. Look at all those stars. Because Minnie Mouse is a star. Oh, look, this is a chunky one. Oh. She sent me stickers. Zoom Zoom. And then she sent me Mickey Mouse paper. That was very nice. These look like they're 6x6s. Oh, this is so sweet. Connie, thank you. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Anything Mickey Mouse. I love him. I love him, love him, love him. Thank you. This paper is amazing. And she made this envelope. That's a cool envelope. Oh, look at that. D-O-N-N-A spells Donna's. S. Donna's. Donna's box. B-O-X. How cute did she make this? Oh my goodness. There he is. There's the mouse. Dear Donna, hope you like your box and goodies. I really liked mine. Thanks again. Hope you have a blessed day. Hugs, Connie Houston. There's always time for a friend. I'm sorry that phone rang. So, let's get back to it. So yeah, look at that. She stamped that. Isn't that cute? Loving this. And she made this cute little envelope to put that in. Oh my goodness, look at the... Okay, this reminds me of being a kid. He's got the adhesive on his feet. Look at that. Hello? Hello. Oh, he looks like the red guy from Bugs Bunny, where the big monster. I'm gonna be a kid again. Oh, that's very pretty. Do you see that? Okay, wait. I don't know which one to go to. Look, I got pink ones. I don't have pink ones. Oh, I love it. And she used washi tape on the top of the bag. Oh, I like that idea. Okay, I'm eyeballing these. These are gonna go on one of my boxes. Oh, look at all this neat stuff. Oh, I love these. They're like file holders. Ooh, oh, that's his babe. Babe. I like that. I've never seen brads like this. Look at those. Wow. This is some fun stuff. Look at all these cute colors. Okay, loving this. Taking out all my stuff. Look what she sent me. She sent me Mickey Mouse. I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I just want to make sure I don't miss anything. Look at the flower. That's very pretty. Oh, and look. It's also a brad. Oh, that's stinking cute. I like that. Oh, and she gave me wooden embellishments. Look at how sweet. I like that. They're square. They look like buttons, little buttons. And this is cute. It's a piece of chipboard. Holy moly. Look at this. I got Mickey heads. Look at these. Connie, you did good. Oh. And that's a little closure. Love those. But I'm loving this. How stinking cute is this? Oh. These look like Mickey. These could be part of Mickey Mouse because they're big and chunky. Oh my God. Isn't that the best? Oh my God. That's the best. Holy moly. That's all of them right there. Look. Oh no, we gotta get Daisy in there. Yep, that's it. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, and I bet you she made this. Look at that paper flower. Oh, she did such a great job on that. That's beautiful. Oh, what a... To Donna from Connie, 2018. Oh, I love these embellishments. You've inspired me. That one was in there. Oh, XO, that's me. XOXO. Another star. Look. Oh, these are pretty. These are very pretty. The color is amazing. Look at those. Oh, my company's here. And last but not least, black, red, and white buttons. Thank you, Connie. I love everything. Thank you, everybody, for watching my embellishment box swap with Connie. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye. Goodness, I realized that there was an envelope here. And inside my cute little envelope with my little washi, my little sticker, Zoom Zoom sticker, they're balloons with Mickey Mouse on them. Oh, Connie, you made these. She made each and every one of these. Thank you for putting so much thought into this, Connie. I'm feeling so blessed. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.